Tio Onipa, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are diving into one of the more explosive tales of Geoffrey Chaucer, which is the Canon's Yeoman's Tale. But first, I am going to show you a video. Get ready for alchemy, deception, and a whole lot of fire. Let's begin.
Two strangers approached the company on very tired horses. A canon and his yeoman Harry Bailey asked them to tell a tale. And the yeoman reveals that the canon is a joker who is capable and sly as Harry Bailey. Questions the yeoman further, it becomes clear that the canon is an alchemist, skilled in trickery. The canon, overhearing this yeoman giving away so many secrets, blaze. In the part 1, the yeoman shares how hard his work for the canon has been, and how it has taken a toll on his health and happiness. He has so much debt that he can never hope to repay. He lists the chemicals and preparations the canon's workers would make, and the dangers they face, but says that all their efforts have failed. In part 2, the canon borrows money from the priest, and in return offers to show the priest a miracle. The priest enthusiastically accepts the miracle, and it is a trick in which a magic powder appears to turn mercury into real silver. The canon has the priest pours mercury and the powder in crucible. Then through some sleight of hand, the canon simply adds real silver to the pot while the mercury boils off. Needless to say that the powder never works for the priest and the canon disappears. The canon's yeoman ends the story by warning the company not to become involved in alchemy because clearly God dislikes to practice alchemy.
So what's Chaucer trying to tell us with his story? Well, there are a few key of themes. First is the danger of greed. The canon is driven by greed, wanting to get rich quick. This leads him to deceive others and ultimately bring him no real happiness. Second is the illusion of knowledge. The canon uses complicated language and a fake science to trick people. Chaucer is questioning the value of knowledge that is used for dishonest purposes. And lastly, the importance of honesty. The human, despite being complicit for a long time, eventually realizes the error of his way and exposes the canon. This highlights the importance of honesty and integrity. The moral of the canon's Yeoman's Tale is pretty clear. Don't be fooled by fake appearances. Be wary of those easy riches or use of complicated language to confuse you. Remember, true knowledge and wealth come from honest work and ethical behavior. In short, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So that's the story of Canon's Yeoman's Tale, a cautionary story about deception and greed. Now, what do you think of the story? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chaucer content. Thanks for watching!